In this video I'm going to show you how to fix any mobile phone illegal use. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix any mobile phone illegal use. Will be power off soon. When you insert your SIM card it power off itself. Let me show how to fix this problem. First remove the SIM card from the phone, then try to reset the phone. If you don't know phone password, try to recover it using Miracle Box. Check download link in description. Now go to settings and try to reset the phone. As I said, if you don't know phone password you can recover it using Miracle Box. Use phone password to factory reset the phone. If you don't know you can recover it. Tool link in description.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our life.
Now try to insert any SIM card and see if problem has been fixed. Enter SIM card PIN code. The problem is gone, now you can use it without any issue. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more information like this.